Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'll show you how to make text larger or smaller in Windows. This is perfect if you find the default text size too small or want more on-screen space. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first open Settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings, and then click on Ease of Access. And here you will get an option to make the text smaller or bigger. Normally slide it to the left to make the text smaller and slide to right to make it bigger. After then click on Apply. So I'm gonna click on Apply. And here you can see that the text size is bigger than the previous one. So I'm gonna making it normal again and clicking on Apply. And here you can see that the text size are now smaller. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly adjust text size in Windows to make everything more comfortable to read. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.